Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering down and unplugging the Xbox Series X. This prevents shorts and lets internal fans stop. Once done, move it to a flat, static-safe area and let it rest for about 10 minutes so residual charge dissipates. Make sure you have a T6/T8 screwdriver, a can of compressed air, microfiber cloth, soft brush, and 70–90% isopropyl plus cotton swabs. Begin by removing external cables and wiping vents to expose the intake before any internal access. Once the console is open, you work methodically. Remove screws and set them aside in order so reassembly is straightforward. Make sure to hold fan blades still while using compressed air. Short bursts avoid spinning the bearings too fast. Use a soft brush to dislodge dust from heat sinks, vents, and fan blades, then follow with cotton swabs lightly dampened with isopropyl for any grime. Take your time and inspect thermal pads and connectors visually. Make sure no loose cables remain. After cleaning, you reassemble in reverse order, making sure each screw and panel returns to its original spot. Secure all cable connections firmly. Once closed, plug in and power on, then run a 15–30-minute game or stress test while listening for abnormal noises and monitoring temperature. If you still hear grinding or see high temps, power down and reseat the fan or heatsink. If issues persist, try a firmware reset and contact support. A single troubleshooting step can prevent.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.